Good morning. This is Reintje and I'm grooming him. And now I do his tail because there's straw in it. And I think that's a good sign, so he lied down last night in his stall. Hey Reintje. Hi. But it has been 2 weeks. I broke my arm. And every day it's better and better. But I can't move it perfect. Hey. So I really don't know if this is going to be a good idea. Hello? But I just want to try. Because I want to do something with the horses. Rocky. Is there a mouse? Hey. Well, I made it this far. And Tyran is very sweet and relaxed. So I could take some time to put on the bridle and stuff. Well, we shall see. Goed zo. Braaf. En let op. Draf. Draf. Goed zo, jongen. Braaf. En stappen. Hallo. Kom. Goed zo, jongen. Braaf. Maar stappen. Stappen. Maar stappen. Goed zo. And here you can see Tyran has a very good walk. It's hard for me to explain, but I try. Come. You can see the print from his front hoof, and with his hind hoof he has to walk over it. And a lot of Friesian horses just walk in the print of the front hoof, but he is walking over. He is walking over the front hoof print. And for example, Saly has not the best walk, and Reintje has a very good walk, and Tyran is a son of Reintje, so that's the reason. Hey, Reintje, you just had some pellets. Goed zo, Tyrone. Tyrone, Elvis, Reintje en Dolly. Hey, Reintje. Okay, it's a bit wet. Oops. And when it's wet, they destroy everything. Hey, Dolly. Please stop that, Tyrone. That's your mom. Horses are strange. Wat dust. Oh. Nee, jongen. Nee. Saly. Saly is always mean to Reintje. That's what I mean. Please don't. Okay, the leader, Tyrone, is walking away, and the others follow him. Except Elvis. Come. Hey, Peach. Do you miss your brother? Spidey? Yes. Daisy and Glendy. The fillies. Saly, Elvis, Dolly en Reintje. Tyrone en Reisy. En Daisy. And Glendy. And Pete is inside because Pete got some pellets. And they can't eat it because they are a bit chubby. Sorry. Reintje, stop that. Reintje. Saly en Elvis. Ja.
Ja, mooi groot ei. Ja, dat is inderdaad een hele mooie hengstgeweermoeder.
Ja. Saly. Elvis. Glijmiddel.
Beetje glijmiddel. Was aanloffelijk.
Ja, dan laat ik het. En hoeveel ben je hem eraan rond?
En dan help ik de spuiter houden, dan iets van 4 cc lucht. En dan kerst het weer iets te leveren. Nou, dat ben je hem.
Nou, Saly.
Nou, die zit er nog wel.
Ja. Mega.
Ja.
Saly. En Heath. En Tyrone. En Elvis. Kom. No. Oh, mares are strange. Nou. Goed zo. Normally she hates other horses. And now she's in love. Yuck. The smell is awful. Yes. Yuck. The smell is gross. Really. I clean it. Yeah, yes. Oh. Yay.
Tadaa!
Goed zo, Saly.
Zo, 22 mm ongeveer. Hier. En dan zie je deze structuur.
Ja.
Is dan degene die progesteron afgeeft. Waardoor die drag dus in stand gehouden wordt.
Ja. Een broerke of zuske.
Ja.
Elvis? Ja. Kom maar, Reintje. Not interested. Because she is in Foal. Yay. Hey Elvis. Zie je dat? Hallo? No. Toe. But Saly get a foal next year. And go away. Otherwise he will jump on me. But I think Saly is the best mom there is. And when we are riding her, she is very stressed. And hello. And she is stressed because of Reintje, other horses. But she is the sweetest when she has her foal. So I think it's good to have her in foal again.
Daar zit een hartje, zie je dat? Ja, het is misschien een beetje lastig te zien, maar daar zie je het net bewegen. Je ziet inderdaad hier die hele grote zak met water, zeg maar.
Ja.
En dan zit hier het vruchtje.
Ja.
En dan zie je er net in iets een beetje zo
Oh,
tik,
ja.
tik, tik,
Ja.
tik, tik.
Ja.
Dat is het hartje.